Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I'm here to show you this 4-piece dress suit that we got for my son. Now, he is 6 years old, he's about 4 feet tall, and as you can see, the suit fits him beautifully. The 4 pieces that it comes in are this adorable tie, then you have this gorgeous shirt. I love the detailing on it. It's like a light and dark blue on white. The adorable vest in this Oxford blue, that's the color, by the way, of this particular suit, along with the pants that have a nice elastic band that is comfortable and fits really well. This is a size 6 and definitely true to size. He's 6 years old and it fits him perfect. This is such a snazzy little suit. He looks so handsome in it. We definitely would recommend it, and that is our point of view.